If you're in food service, you're feeling it. Equipment and operational costs are rising and putting pressure on your operation. In fact, cost increases of 30 to 40% aren't uncommon, much like what we're seeing at the grocery store. It's costing operators more to keep their business going. But here's what makes this particularly challenging. Sometimes the obvious solution, like repairing existing equipment, actually costs more in the long run than replacing it. I'm Kirk Schoonmaker with Johnson Pike, and today I'm going to show you some forward-thinking manufacturers that are taking real steps to keep costs down. If you're serving food, you will need refrigeration in your operation, which means when purchasing refrigeration solutions, lead times can delay your entire restaurant opening. Solution to the problem of lead times can be the Arctic Blue Line walk-in refrigerator because it's available in multiple configurations, from refrigerators to freezers to combination units. They offer both indoor and outdoor options with self-contained or remote refrigeration systems, all at about half the cost of comparable units. Their purpose-built, pre-sized refrigeration units ship in just 2 days, compared to the traditional 4 to 6 week lead times. We recently worked with a local retailer of ice cream products that needed freezers, and they had to switch from who they were using to Arctic Blue Line because we could provide it quicker and easier in installation. 4 to 6 weeks can mean a month and a half of not getting to serve their product. What it meant to the operator was they could open their new location quicker and sell more product sooner. Food waste is the number 2 cost in an operation behind payroll, so it's important for them to get it right. The best food service operators have a recipe that they go by that's specific and dialed into what they want to serve. Taylor Precision offers scales, thermometers, and timers for precise control of the recipe. It doesn't matter who's going to make the product if it's being used with the Taylor Precision product to measure the recipe out. Let me share a real example. We work with pizza operators who use these scales to weigh ingredients for every pizza. They're saving hundreds of dollars now just on cheese alone. The best part? These tools are in stock and ready to ship, so you can start saving money immediately. If an operator wants to implement precision control in their operation, Taylor Products has the items available now. For an operator, supply chain delays and high-priced China solutions shouldn't impact your ability to maintain professional presentation. An operator needs to have the right amount of China when they need it. Vertex China offers value-engineered dinnerware with a 98% fill rate. Vertex offers China in various colors and patterns as well as the standard white. And they have designs and they can do custom products as well. Most of the China that is stocked by Vertex is shipped from the U.S. shipping points, which there's one in the East Coast and one on the West Coast in Southern California. We recently worked with an operator who was using a selection from another manufacturer and it was costing them lots of money. So then the customer looked at the dinnerware available for Vertex, found a very similar pattern that was about half the price. The initial transition took just a week and a complete replacement was achieved over only a few months. For an operator, Vertex has short lead times. If you want new product and you want to make a specific change, Vertex has products ready and waiting for you. Emergency repairs in your dish pit are an operator's worst nightmare. It always happens Friday at 4 o'clock. And downtime in your equipment repairs can hurt your bottom line for certain. CMA is a dish machine operator that makes rack machines, door machines, and under-counter machines. CMA is different because they're USA built and they use locally sourced parts on many of their products, normal plumbing parts that you can buy at a local plumbing store. When something goes wrong, you're not waiting days for specialized parts. If you do need something specific, they offer overnight shipping from Southern California. CMA would allow the service agent to fix it the first time, one and done. We've seen operators cut their maintenance costs significantly because they're not paying premium prices for proprietary parts or waiting days for parts or repairs. The key takeaway is this: you don't have to compromise quality while implementing cost controls. These solutions are available right now and they're ready to help protect your bottom line. If you're a food service operator dealing with these situations, please reach out to me and I can help you with this. In my 20 years in the food service industry, I've helped countless operators find ways to improve their operations while controlling costs. At Johnson Pike, we're here to help you find the answers that work for your operation.